Let's try fish jerky. So we all know beef jerky, maybe turkey jerky. I don't think I've seen chicken jerky. I believe this is fish jerky. I saw this at my local Asian supermarket. On the packet it states it's cod. It's not as chewy as beef jerky, and like a really intensified fish flavor. It kind of reminds me of those seaweed crackers. It resembles jerky. It's completely dry. It's a bit flexible. It has a bit of a chew, but not as tough as beef jerky. And it's just a really concentrated fish flavor. That's all it is. I've made my own beef jerky in the past in a dehydrator, but I've never tried fish jerky. Maybe I can try making this myself and see if it's any better. I didn't even know this was a thing. It's a little bit sweet, I think, because they put sugar in here. But other than that, I don't think you would cook with this. Honestly, I don't know. If this isn't actually jerky, let me know in the comments of what I just ate. If I had to rate this, it's not better than beef jerky, but it does have a really strong fish flavor. It wouldn't be my go-to. I would give this maybe a 6.8 out of 10. Yeah, this is jerky.